I will demonstrate how I'm going to cut it, top of it, and I like to go in just about a 1/4 inch above where you see the stem and just kind of go in and hit that seed and pull that top piece off. I usually peel off both sides of the top of the mango, exposing that. And then I'll take my knife and I'll slide down the seed. And that's the best way to actually open up your mango, because you get most of the fruit off the seed. If you want to chew the rest of it off, it's usually what I'll do. But then I'll take my knife and I'll push in some cut marks like so. And then I slide it underneath the skin like this. And you can see that you'll end up with like these little chunks that pop right off. And it gets very close to the skin and taking that off. By cutting into the fruit, it pulls that fruit as close to the skin away as possible. You can see that there's really not much left on there.